Hi, this is Casey Trivia, the Lonesome Cowboy. I have written the best sales letter ever for the sale of outsourced bookkeeping or accounting. Now, I've been a businessman since I was 16 years old. I got fired from my first job. The guy said, "You'll never work in this town again." And he was right. I realized when I was walking out with my final check, I should never have a job. I'm terminally unemployable. So I started a business and I started advertising it by direct mail, and it worked. As a matter of fact, over the last 41 years, I've probably sent out between 500,000 and 1 million pieces of mail every year for 41 years. I've written a lot of letters. The best one we have ever come up with is my gift to you. All you need to do is fill out the form below and we'll send you to the drop down, and this letter should be sent to clients, centers of influence, and people that you've never met but you'd like to do business with. It should be mail merged so that the contact is in the top of the letter, and you should sign this letter with a blue ink pen. Felt tip is best, and I would even use first class postage, big ugly stamp. As a matter of fact, 2 stamps gets the best attention. This direct mail letter will knock your socks off, and you can use it for every group. Your centers of influence, your clients, your cold prospects. Send it to everybody. This is my gift to you. I only have one request. Will you not use it in my wife's business area? Encinitas, California. If you're listening, do not download the letter if you want to mail it here. Otherwise, we're glad to see you get the business. Thank you so very much, and let's keep that cash register ringing.